Create consistently delicious meals using air sous vide on your Electrolux wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. With the touch of a button, our patented air sous vide technology locks in flavor and moisture without the use of water, ensuring tenderness without overcooking. How does it work? In air sous vide cooking, food is vacuum sealed in pouches, which are then placed in a cooking medium of hot air. Hot air circulates around the sealed pouch to cook slowly at relatively low temperatures. Air sous vide in your Electrolux wall oven can hold constant temperature between 100 and 205 degrees, 37 and 96 degrees Celsius, for low and slow cooking. To begin, touch oven modes and scroll to air sous vide. The display will show 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius by default based on cooking metrics selected. Set the desired temperature for your food and touch Start. Open the pouch and remove the food to serve. Curious what foods you can use air sous vide for? The precisely controlled heat and airflow of air sous vide preserves natural flavors on all types of dishes like juicy pork and poultry, perfectly cooked steaks, and flavorful fish and seafood. In addition to versatility of use, air sous vide cooking comes with many advantages such as your food doesn't lose flavor or aroma due to evaporation. Vitamins and minerals don't escape during cooking. Low cooking temperatures leave proteins more tender. Less spices needed as food keeps more of its natural flavor. The low cooking temp reduces the risk of overcooking, and timing is less critical. To fully master the art of air sous vide cooking, refer to your use and care manual. Here, you'll find vacuum sealing tips, food and preparation techniques, and more. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.